Hey guys, it's Julia here, and I have another looking back because as you guys know, I did the looking back on the thin client. I was also going to show the EEE PC, but I decided to make them two separate videos, and because I can't really fit that in my schedule, I decided to upload this video the very next day, so you guys are seeing 3 looking backs this week. I still have a video planned for Wednesday, so you guys will still get a video Wednesday. But anyways, let's resume the video and show you guys the EEE PC. We're also going to look at this EEE PC, and this has XP on it. And we're going to see what's on that as well, which I do plan to get rid of this one too, because I don't know if you guys know, I'm getting rid of a lot of computers. And this is a great series because I can show them, and then the ones I want to get rid of, I can get rid of. And also, this gives me an opportunity to go through my computers and see which ones I would want to keep and which ones I wouldn't. Alright guys, so we have the ASUS EEE PC. And you guys can see it's got an XP Home Edition sticker and some other info, more info, and these are the specs. Atom N270, 1 gig of RAM, 160 gig hard drive, and Windows XP Home. You can see it's got Wi-Fi as well. And I have it hooked up except for the power. And this one I really hope is more exciting because I may have already showed the clip of the other computer already. Hopefully I would have gotten into that. So I plugged this in. I don't know if it's gonna power up or not. It does. Okay, cool. So let's see what happens. Oh, it is blinking. I don't know what that said. But it looks like it works, and I don't know what I did with the system the last time it powered up. I actually don't remember this computer at all. Oh, it says Windows XP. That's cool. Hopefully this doesn't have a password because I don't feel like trying to get in it. The mouse isn't working. It probably hasn't initialized drivers because I know Windows XP is like that. Loading your personal settings, it looks like there's no password on here. So that's pretty cool. So it's just being slow. Oh. So it's just like a Windows XP computer that's small, but we have to wait for drivers and stuff to initialize because I can't really do anything. I do hear the hard drive though. Hopefully I will be able to move the mouse soon. It's got some stuff on here. I don't know what that stuff is. We'll take a look at it. Just gotta wait for the mouse. I'll actually resume this once the mouse works. Okay guys, the mouse now works, so we can look at the specs and stuff. I guess someone named Jessica owned this, and I have no idea who because this was given to me from my brother from a recycling center, so I don't know who this person is. But let's look at the system properties. Windows XP, it's Service Pack 3, which is surprising. It looks like it's the OEM install, only 1 gig of RAM. That's not a very good processor, but this is Windows XP, so it is lighter weight. But we can look at some stuff on here. Wow, it's very stripped down. It's got a game, but it's actually not downloaded. Whatever that is. Oh, low disk space. It's very low. I wonder why. It's got, I don't know. I don't even know what this is. Oh, video codec. This Text Plus. I don't know. The normal, like, I guess accessories and XP. Looks like it's on here. You know, maybe we can try and reset this. Also, I want to see something. Let's go to the command prompt. I'm actually going to do something. System info. That's not a command. Wow. Okay then, maybe this is so stripped down that I can't even see the install date. Yeah, this is a very stripped down version. How is the space very low? What does it consider as very low? What the crap? This literally says that this is 160 gigs. Capacity, 19.5 gigs. Free space, 16 megabytes. I'm so confused. This drive, there is no way it's that small. Rebuild, maybe it's this. Use space, 3 gigs free space. I wonder if this is like the recovery or something. This is interesting. There's XP version checking. Image.win. Settings. I think this might be a recovery. What the heck is this font? What the crap? Yeah, no thanks. Let's choose something else. Like, I don't know. I don't know what's better. Let's just start clicking random fonts. Like, whatever that is. That looks better than whatever I was looking at. Which I don't even know what this is. Wireless network setup? What in the world? What's in this WIM? What's in this folder? Reimage tools. This has a custom image on it? This is really interesting. Let's just start editing some of this. Compress. I don't know if this is part of this computer or what, but this is really interesting. My what recovery? Guys, is this interesting? Maybe I'll make a future video on this computer if I could find a way to reset it. Yeah. This makes a partition called main, and that's what the C drive is. How do you... Image utility. So it's a system image? This is interesting. Firefox. Okay then. Remote programs. What in the world? Have you guys seen anything like this? This is really interesting. I don't know what this is. Or this. I want to open disk management and see if, like, it's partitioned weird or something. But it seems like this is a very slimmed down version. Okay, guys. This is really interesting. System tools, there isn't much. It's complaining about the disk space again. I wonder how you would re-image this. Let's see. I'm just looking around. Utility manager, what's this? I don't have any idea what this is about. Oh, It's that, okay. No, I don't want narrator, get out. Close, please. That thing is annoying. What's down here? Driver detective. Oh god, is this a virus? Well, let's open this. It doesn't even open. It looks like a VAST or something. Yeah, that's a VAST. Your system's unsecured. Oh no. Free ride games. Yeah, the low space. The networking. Security alerts. A VNC apparently. Graphics and volume. You know, it's kind of hard to see more stuff because the OS is so limited. There's basically no tools. There's no nothing. You know, there's barely anything on here. I wonder if there's even any files. I'm just gonna check and see if there's any files on here. Alright, this stuff doesn't really look personal, but I don't know what this stuff is. And I have no clue what that is, and I don't know if I want to open that on camera. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a driver. I don't know what this is. Google International Gadget file. What the heck? An image. Whatever this is. That driver program probably that I said's a virus. Yeah, driver detective. 2013. Wow. This don't like document. Also modified in 2013. This image that I'm not sure if I want to open because it might be something personal. Because I don't want to open the person's files, because obviously these are not my files, so that's why I'm not opening the image. Because I don't know what it is, so I don't want to open it necessarily. The pictures might show something personal. Yeah, I'm closing that immediately because it did. Music, nothing. I want to re-image this. If this rebuild is actually the image of the OS, I do want to use this to try and restore it. Because honestly, I want to get all the stuff off. But what I might do for this video is I might go grab my Hiren's USB, because I have a Hiren's USB since I was messing with another computer. If you guys saw the video, I'll be messing with hard drives on Wednesday. You guys would see that. So I'm gonna go grab my Hiren's real fast. So guys, I got into the BIOS because I wanted to look around. It took a few tries to even get it in here. But what is this? I have no idea. Overclocking? That's so weird. CPU configuration. That's just the CPU information. I just wanted to look around in here because I couldn't get it to like boot the USB for some reason, because I couldn't get it in a boot menu. I might just set USBs to boot as default. So I might keep this computer for now, but get rid of it in the future because it is not the greatest and I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Yeah, let's see. It looks like USB is set to boot first. So if I plug in a USB, it actually should boot. Quick boot. I'm not sure if I want to do that. Alright, there's no password. I don't know what this express gate is. It says auto. The OS timer. User data be cleared. I don't want to clear anything necessarily. I don't know if that's gonna like wipe the drive. If you guys have any information, I'll just exit and save even though I didn't make any changes. And let's plug in our USB. And let's see if it boots to the USB first, because I did look in the BIOS and USBs are set first. So in theory, it should boot my USB. That's hopefully if it listens. and actually does that. And it's not. That's lovely. It won't boot my USB. This computer is being very stubborn because it's literally set to boot USBs first, and it's not booting my USB. Isn't that fun? Sorry if this video isn't, very exciting. I am a bit tired today. And I actually do want to lay down after this because I'm just really tired and I want to sleep really early today. Let's see what this program is. I'm very curious. I might have to do a reset or an adventure on this another day. I don't want to do any of those because I don't know what this is. So let's just close that for now. Let's shut it down. Shut down. It's not wanting to shut down, is it? And we're gonna plug the USB in, and then we're gonna power it back on, so I'll be right back. Well, I tried to plug this in and boot it, but it just ignored it again, so I don't know what's going on. If you guys have any ideas as to why it's not booting my USB, tell me. But I'm probably gonna stop the video. I might record more on it, I'm not sure, or I might make another video on it, but for tonight, I'm probably done messing with it. But if you guys have anything you think I should try on it, I might make a future video messing with it because I'm probably not getting rid of it right now. And I do want to, try and see if I can re-image that or not. Maybe I'll record a video on that if I can figure that out. I'm just too tired to really figure it out right now. But if you don't see another video in this video, I'll have another video in the future on this computer. I really just wanted to show what's on it and stuff like that. I didn't use a capture card for this one because I didn't feel like it, honestly, because I'm really tired. So I just didn't feel like doing it. But I might do one in another video. So I'm adding this in. I did plug the USB in and I can still run the tools off of it, and I opened Crystal Disk Info. This is a 160 gig drive, so they probably just partitioned it weird, which is strange. Like, I don't honestly get it, but we can see our power on count and power on hours. 789 days, and it's been powered on 739 times. The drive is still good, surprisingly, and it looks like this drive is fine. I wonder what other programs we can run. There's partition programs. Maybe I can see if I can open one of these, but I don't know. Let me see. Partition wizard. Let's try that. I just want to see the partitions, but disk management does not exist. Oh, great. There's not enough space, so I can't even open that. That's just... Yeah, this is our problem. A lot of programs won't run because there's no space, so, like... I can get this to open, but there's not really much I can do because I can't even boot this because it just ignores it. Like, if I restart the system right now, it's just going to completely ignore everything, and you guys will see. But I was able to open the Hirons menu, which is pretty cool, because I didn't even boot the USB and I was somehow able to open that Hirons menu. So let's see. Does it ignore our USB, or does it actually work? And I tried pushing, like, tab or whatever, and it didn't do anything. Wow, yeah, it just ignores the USB entirely. I don't know why it's not booting it. Something is just weird about this system. It doesn't run that bad, surprisingly, though. I do want to put another drive in it to see if it boots. That'd be interesting to do. Like, what if I just put another hard drive with, like, Linux on it? What would happen? Since I can't get it to boot anything. Anyways, thanks for watching. There'll be more videos to come soon. If it wasn't that exciting, I'm sorry. I mean, there were some things. You can see, oh, we're at risk because our updates are turned off and our antivirus is turned off. Isn't that lovely? Yeah, this computer is just... I don't know what's going on. This computer's a bit strange. I can't tell. Like, it seems like this is like the OEM install, but at the same time, it's just so weird. Like, it says ASUS and stuff, but it's just so slimmed down and weird that I don't get it. It's just strange. Like, it's a very stripped down version of XP, and yet it said it was like 20 gigs, but the drive here says it's like a 160, but it looks like there's 2 partitions. Maybe there's a ton of space we're not seeing, but I can't open disk management because I don't think it seems to exist. I didn't see it anywhere. And another thing is that I couldn't get my USB to boot, so we couldn't really check anything else. And I know that this has Hirons on it, and yet it just wouldn't boot. I don't know. Unless I'm going crazy and this is a different USB, but I'm pretty sure it was on this one, so I might make a future video. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and bye-bye for now.